Hi guys, Marlene here again. If you're new here, welcome to my channel and thanks so much for joining me. I really appreciate you paying a visit. If you already subscribed, thanks for coming back. I don't have a lot of special things to show, but I was able to extend my Cricut access for 2 weeks for free instead of paying like 7 or 8. No, it's 8 or $10 per month or per year. I really don't plan on doing that because I think it's too much money. You spend a lot of money on your machine, and then to be able to use the images they have, you have to spend more. So I'm stubborn and I don't want to do that. But if it's for free, yeah, I will. So I found some cute St. Patrick's Day images on there, and I thought I'd cut some out. So I got these 4-leaf clovers, cut a whole bunch out. I like that. And as I'm gonna do pocket letters with the St. Patrick's Day theme, I can use those and the word lucky. Good to do a pocket letter with. Cut that out a couple of times too. And then I have an image of a leprechaun, but you have to put it together. So I got a whole bunch of small little pieces like his face and of course his hair and his beard and his body, and I'm gonna see if I can figure out how to put that together. So I'm gonna put the camera down and you can join me in my crafty time. Okay, let's see. First I need to put on his face. Let's put some glue on his face and get this started. Okay, this glue is acting up as usual. Why is it all watery? It wasn't the last time I used it. Well, let's see if it will go on, and for the other things I'll get another. Oh, it's supposed to go like that. Other way around. You really have to see where you have to go. And let's see if I can get it all up there. Cute, isn't it? It's just the beginning. I'm gonna get another glue. Guess my leads will work. There we go. Got that. This isn't even sticking well. Okay. Guess it's time to put on his hair and beard. There we go. Got the Aleene's glue going. I don't see a thing here. Let's put that other light on. There. That's a little better. As this is clear gel, it's a little hard to see where you are, but I think the glue is where I want it. Okay. Leave his ears free, of course, otherwise the poor thing can't hear anything. There. How does that look? Getting there, right? Isn't he cute? Now, okay, I think I'm missing things here. I need to get his body on there. Does that work? Let's see. think I should have done that before his beard. Why have it the wrong way around? Nope, this needs to go up before his beard. Well, let's see. Good, that tacky glue is not so tacky that it dries right away. There we go. Let's see how I can get you on there. There, let's glue you on there and then see how it will work out. There. I guess this is okay. Let's put his hair back on. See if... No, need some more glue. Always hard to get it out. There. This is cute. I don't know why that green is still sticking on top of it. Let's put it a bit higher. I think that's about right. Not really happy, but because you can still see his shirt. Oh, this is taking longer than I thought. And I think I have it the wrong way around, because it shows different on the image that I cut. Oh well, this'll work. Some glue on you. I bet you this is not very interesting to watch. I might not even upload it, but that's fine. Just a little practice to see if this works. Needs this little black piece. Nice to get all those tiny pieces and then somehow get them on. Let's see. And it's not even the tiniest pieces because I still need to glue on his hands. That's gonna be fun. Little belt buckle on top of the black thing. Let's just add a dot of glue up there. I really like how this is showing. Now I'm missing a yellow dot. I might be able to see if I can do it like that. just punch out a little dot there. Now I need his cheeks. He got rosy cheeks. There we go. A little more to the side. Oh, you're cute. And now his hands need to go on there, and then it's done. I cannot see the glue for the life of me. Holy moly. Okay. This is really, really small. See how tiny that is? Whoa. If I didn't need glasses, I would need them now. There. And the other one. Yeah, I definitely have this thing the wrong way around, but that's okay. Let's see. Oh, I did it. Look. Isn't he cute? And for the next one, because I have 3, I'll just turn it around. And that might look better. Well, thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day. I'm about to pick up my doggie who had to go to the groomer. We have a little Shih Tzu. No, not a Shih Tzu. It's a Shih Poo. A cross between a Shih Tzu and a Poodle. Her name is Lilo, and she's the cutest little teddy bear ever. So, bye-bye. Have a great day. See you later.